Hi, I'm going to do a quick market review of Thursday, September 15th. We had a bunch of news going on today. 2:30 in the morning we had the Swissy news. Great Britain had 3:30 a.m. retail sales. 7:30 there was core CPI, and unemployment was some bad U.S. news. And then 9 o'clock the Philly Fed was worse than anticipated, so that wasn't as good as it could have been. And then 1 o'clock, ECB President Trichet spoke. So let's take a look through the charts. Here is the Euro US dollar with thermal grids. Now there was a big three-channel cluster at 37.28. Now I forgot to check the daily report and I wasn't sure which one was at the top or the bottom. And we got into this a little bit upside down. So I had made a bunch of pips in the last few days, but 37.28, I didn't want to sell it, I wanted to buy it. That closed the day above this, so the three channels was at the bottom here. So when it comes here, it's a buy, not a sell. So that's okay. Shut it down for a quick loss of -6. We trade everything in thirds. So I logged in my analyzing dashboard -6 pips times 3, flipped it to a buy, went to bed, got up, pulled off 19.28, and let's take a quick look. Currently it is sitting up 143 pips. I have 270 pips up on the pound from the other day, trading the 60.44 three-channel cluster, and playing a bounce off the Great Britain CAD. It just broke through, so I'll probably close that trade down, and we'll get to that. So anyway, here's the plays today. There was a really beautiful break and a retest here and here, but this is when the news came out. But in London early, it did push up. It retested off a gray. I don't usually like buying grays, but it worked out right there at the gray thermal grids. So let's quick look at the Great Britain US dollar. Not a lot of black here. All of these are small grids. I don't like that. So there was no breaks retest, just powered up. Again, I'm going to go fast through here. Feel free to pause and rewind at any time if something doesn't make sense to you. Grays. It did respect and bounce a lot of grays. I just don't trade them. They're too small for me. We did have a little victory here. We parked at this point in moment in time. We parked a buy, playing a bounce on the red, went to bed, and I got up in the middle of the night and saw this. And the news was coming, so we shut this down for a 5-pip gain. And then, because we didn't know what the news was going to do, and then it went up 200 pips, 250 pips, and we missed it. So fine, but we took the secure route out, shut it down before news because you don't know what it's going to do. US CAD bounced off of a red and went up, came through. Look at this. This is again crazy news where it went up and it retested this red and then dropped beautifully. So coulda, woulda, shoulda there with the news. It makes you a little bit nervous. Aussie dollar, US dollar. Here it's really swinging. Notice how it breaks above, then it goes way below, and then the news pushes it up. It's just, I'm not trading any of that stuff. And the same thing here, it's powering up. It broke through and then rejected on the news. Here's a nice break and retest of a black in Asia. There it is, about 8, 9, 10 o'clock Central. There's a good trade. Look at that, take profit 1. Almost got to here. You got to shut it down. If this bounced and starts heading up when it's squeaked down to here, take it. And then up it goes. Look at this beautiful thing on a black. Here you go. Breaks above, retest. There's your buy, and up it went. You would have been in right here. So those are the plays. Euro yen, nothing but gray. Not trading it. Euro Great Britain. Same thing. It's a little messy in here. See how it's swinging above and below and above and below and above, and then it does the news. So it's messy. Not as clean trend. These are all grays. Not doing that. Great Britain yen. Here's a red. Look at this. Bounce. Comes back. Bounces again at the London Open and then takes off. Wow. How big was that grid? 7. Oh, yeah. There's your buy. Buy, buy, buy. To the pip. It gets right down. Look at that. To the pip it touched there. Broke it by 1 or 2. And you'd be big profits. Beautiful trade. Euro odd. So look here, breaks above, comes back a little bit sloppy. You do your buy. It's trending nice, so boom, you buy. Boom, take profit here. Doesn't quite get up to there, and take your profits. Comes back, chops around. It's just messy throughout the day. This Euro news today was crazy. EuroCAD, it's all gray. I don't trade that. Great Britain, here it bounces and it gets below, and if you sell it here, you're getting head faked, so then it goes above. When it comes down here, close the sell, flip it to a buy, and you could have maybe rode that up. I can't trade them all. So there it's gray, I'm not doing anything. Great Britain, Swissy, it's all gray, I'm not doing anything. Here, same thing, London Open, it's below, breaks above, does a retest, but it breaks through and does a doji. It's messy with this open, and if you're fortunate enough to take that, I guess, you'd have made some major pips. Then it just trended down, trended down, trended down, trended down, and it's just the news. I don't know. That's kind of messy. Aussie New Zealand dollar, it's all gray. It did bounce off of black. I don't play those. CAD yen, here's, touches the black, breaks through, look at this, comes right back and retests this and then bounces off. So, I don't know, this made me nervous with this such a blow up when it comes back. I have no idea where it's going like that. I wasn't interested in trading that late in the day. This I just was in class showing people, look at it's trending, 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 and then it back breaks, right? It's going up. It comes back and it retests this back side of this trend line right here, and then up it goes. So if you don't have the thermal grids, just basic price action, it follows through. Changes hands on the gray, bounces off the gray, only halfway, breaks. Look at this retest of a gray, and then up it goes. We were here watching that. You see how it hits a channel, comes back, can't make it higher, comes a little bit lower, only goes halfway, tells you it's headed down. Just all of this tells it's just screaming down right here. And Great Britain US dollar breaks through this black. There's no looking back. It just, at this point I'm not buying into this because you don't know. It already broke. Now it's trending down. Sure enough, it's trending down, and it's trending down. It just broke down. So let's go look at this Great Britain. Yeah, this is broken through this red, and we're in between sessions here. So I'm going to shut this down and just regroup and look at the next set of grids. It's about 5 p.m. right now. But anyway, that's a quick run through of the markets for the 15th of September. It's a Thursday, 2011. Thanks everybody. See ya.